No problems, just earn the money, travel, eat, drink, and sleep. When you are happy with someone in private, you don't need to prove it on social media. If you have been hurt many times and you still know how to smile, trust me, you are strong. No time for fake and negative peoples. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. Time is precious. Make sure you spend it with the right people. The biggest slap to your enemies is your success. Trust me, family problems will kill all your happiness. I am a good person, but don't give me a reason to show my evil side. A permanent person in everyone's life, but one thing I can assure you, to be the best temporary person you will never meet. Everyone cry, some from eyes, some from heart. I am a person with no patience, but if I am still waiting for your replies, then believe me, you are really special for me. Life can change just like that. A clear reaction is always better than fake promise. Flirt when you fall for someone's words. Lust when you fall for someone's beauty. Love when you fall for someone's soul. Hide your emotions because no one cares. I am a good enough person to forgive you, but not stupid enough to trust you again. God doesn't give you the people you want, He gives you the people you need. I know I am little bit possessive. I trust you a lot. I am just being protective because I never want to lose you. Time decides who you meet in your life. Heart decides who you want in your life. Behavior decides who will stay in your life. A clear reaction is always better than a fake promise. You could ignore me for a few weeks, but as soon as you text back, I will reply in 0.02 seconds. I care too much for the people who don't care about me. No one stays with you permanently. Learn to survive alone. If you liked this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.